Hello and welcome, Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, showing you today this recently arrived and approved used Range Rover Velar D200 Dynamic HSE, finished here in head-turning car python grey metallic colour and with plenty of factory-fitted extras also on offer. Key equipment highlights will include the stylish pixel LED headlight with signature daytime running lights in the front, whilst around the side upgraded 21-inch gloss black alloy wheels will also finish off the look. In the rear there are stylishly designed full LED taillights, giving your Velar a prominent look when travelling at night, with the easy access thanks to keyless entry and start and a power operated liftgate. If you want to create more space, you can fold down the rear seats 40-20-40 as well. A quick glimpse inside the interior will also offer this lovely looking leather black upholstery in ebony with seating for 3 and their own USB chargers, all underneath this sliding sunroof, whilst in the front, stylish interior carries on with upgraded front seats that offer full electric adjustment for maximum comfort. The driver can further enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which is heated, as well as offers paddle shifts for a dynamic drive and the IDD interactive driver display digital dashboard. PV Pro connected services touchscreen has plenty on offer as well on the home screen, with the likes of a heated front windscreen, 2-zone climate control and even selectable 4-wheel drive system, whilst built-in sat-nav will always ensure you never get lost, and FM and DAB radio will let you find your favourite stations. Both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto projections are available, with the convenience of heated front seats with a 3-stage setting, whilst other clever functions will also incorporate a host of other vehicles' features, such as a 3D surround parking camera offering visibility all around. Down below, a hidden compartment will unlock a wireless induction charger for a compatible device, and overhead you'll find easy controls for the electric sunshade blind and the sliding panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of the approved used Range Rover Velar that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.